Hey, so, Sunita ma'am, I am God. First of all, it's really great that I'm getting to chat with you, but I'm also equally very sad that you're no longer in the jail. I mean, ma'am, I know you've been saying for a while कि आपको मतलब homesickness हो रही है. I feel like the environment was very overwhelming, which is interesting because we've often seen a very fiery side to you, right? Whenever I've seen you, like you've often been very bebak and very jo, matlab, you have zero filter, which I love the most. But here we saw a vulnerable side to you. I mean, what was it about the jail environment and I think the environment of the show per se that really kind of brought out that vulnerability within you and perhaps that Bebak side and that fiery nature of yours maybe took a bit of a back seat. What was it about that?
No, tell me one thing. I was the oldest in the contestant, and all were kids, and the kids were taking care of me like my own kids. So how can I just give them bad words or fight with them for no reason? The people would have called me mad woman.
Right.
Where I had to fire and give bad words to a person, I gave it. That is Shinde. She was trying to poke her nose and removing Govinda's controversy and my controversy. That time I warned her, don't try to act smart.
Yeah,
When in one
exactly.
week more if
Right.
I would have been there, I think so हम लोग एक दूसरे को बॉक्सिंग कर रहे होते यार.
I, the way you really held your own, and I think it was so nice to see when Farah ma'am was also kind of being supportive of you as well. I thought that was really lovely. But look, I think Sunita ma'am, I think more than anything, we've got to see a side to you, and you've given. I think there was so many interesting insights that was there, where you spoke about, of course, obviously being the partner of Govinda, who's obviously a huge, huge star in India. I mean, we've grown up watching him, so he's a superstar, and I think jitni bhi tareef mein karu kam hai. But I think going in, there was one perception of Sunita Ahuja, Govinda's wife, but obviously you've had your own identity and you've maintained that throughout these years. Since before going into the show and now leaving, what has been the change, I think, within you? Or maybe if you look back at this Sunita a few weeks back, what do you think is the difference between her then and now?
Uh, I've changed a lot from the time I've come because I would have really loved to continue the show. Because of my health condition, I couldn't continue. And about Govinda, it was very sweet of Govinda to and my daughter Tina to come and take me out of the show because it was on my health and I started crying because I don't think so anything is important more than your health. And I think
True.
Govinda couldn't see me crying, and he thought that maybe diabetes is such a bad disease that it is a slow poison. And when 264 is the diabetes, when you're empty stomach, when I'm sleeping, it could have been 350. Anything could have happened.
Gee.
So Govinda said, and he had warned me, you can't, don't go for the show. Whenever I don't listen to my husband, I fall into a problem. So that
Oh,
is why he
really?
said, Ki, you come out of the show, I've come to pick you up. I said, it was so good of him and Tina to come and take me out of the show because I don't think so I would have been well over there.
हाँ, तो बहुत चीजें हुई है ना जेल में obviously you've had that little spat with Shilpa, right? Shilpa Shinde. I think there was lots of, I think recently we saw it was almost the Gharwale going against Shreya and taking a stand against her as well. She was also coming at it. The whole Akanksha thing happened. बहुत सारी चीजें हुई. I think now that you've had your experience on the show, आपको कौन एक विनर मटेरियल लगता है और क्यों, और आप किन किन से मिलना चाहोगे इस शो के बाद और नहीं मिलना चाहोगे शो के बाद और क्यों?
I'll tell you one thing. I would love to meet Raham. I would love to meet Leila, Dheeraj, Harshad, Shivangi, Chamola, Pam, Leila, and Riaz. ये सब मेरे फेवरेट थे. आई वुड लव टू मीट देम. रेस्ट आई डेंट गेट अलोंग सो मच वेल. सो उन लोगों को दूर से ही प्रणाम है भैया.
और जीतेगा कौन आपके हिसाब से? हु इज योर विनर मटेरियल फॉर
जो
लॉकअप?
डिजर्व करता है उसे जीतना चाहिए, जो मेहनत करता है उसे जीतना चाहिए.
Love that. You know, honestly, Sunita ma'am, I could honestly go on and on because honestly, you're
आई नो,
such a really
ये मैं
wonderful
सुबह से सुन रही हूँ
personality.
सारे प्रेस वालों का, वी वांट टू टॉक टू यू मोर, टॉक टू यू मोर। ऐसा टाइम नहीं है भाई, जितना बोल सकती हूँ बोलूंगी मैं।
No, no, I, love the Netflix team. They're so good, and I'm so glad at least ये हो पाया
दिस
because
व्हाई आई डिड द शो,
honestly,
बिकॉज आई लव नेटफ्लिक्स एंड आई लव
it,
एकता कपूर।
and it's amazing as well because I was just like, अगर कोई अच्छा करेगा तो global recognition मिलेगा और अगर कोई बुरा करेगा तो global मतलब तबाही हो जाएगी, So it's like
इसे
a
बोलते हैं
50
लॉकअप।
Yeah, literally, it's सच के बाद सजा, actually not सच या सजा, सच के बाद
और
सजा.
मैं तो
I
सच ही
feel
बोलती हूँ यार, मुझे कौन सजा देगा। अनुज,
I
ही इज
love it
टू गुड, ही
exactly.
इज
But thank you
इम्प्रूविंग
so much,
डे बाय
Sunita
डे।
ma'am.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Sunita ma'am. It was so lovely to catch up with you, and I'm so glad that हम ये बात कर पाए और अब मैं आपके साथ मुलाकात भी हो गई. So I'm really happy that we could do this. So thank you so much.
थैंक यू अनुज। थैंक यू अनुज। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Bye.